Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a Greek cucumber salad. Greek salad is my favorite salad of all time. I love it. Babin's Seafood House has a wonderful Greek salad. A lot of restaurants do, but I'm going to be making a Greek cucumber salad. So basically, the Greek salad without the lettuce. So I'm going to be using the cucumber, some vine tomatoes, some onion, just a little bit, a feta cheese, black olive, and this canned steakhouse Greek dressing, which also has feta and black olives in it. So I'm going to get this stuff chopped up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I've done cutting it. Okay, you can see here that I've got my tomatoes chopped up. And I also chopped up these black olives. I bought the little can of sliced ones and drained them. You can leave them sliced, or you can actually even put whole ones. If you don't like black olives, I'm sure you could use green ones or Kalamata olives, the purple ones. Whatever. If you don't like olives, don't even put them in. I just wanted to make that note about the olives. And next I'll be chopping up the onion. I'm not going to use that much onion because I don't want it overpowering the salad. So I'm probably just going to use like 1/8 of this onion, probably just a little bitty bit, and chop it very finely, and then I'll be chopping up the cucumber. Okay, you can see I used 1/8 of this onion. That's all I'm going to put in the salad. If I had purple onion, I would have used purple onion, and I probably would have put 1/4. I just didn't have any. The one I had gone bad, so I'm using the white onion. Okay, I've got my cucumber finely chopped, which I use this knife to do. Works really good for that. On the cucumber, it is quite a bit of cucumber. Maybe my cucumber was too big, but I'm going to use it all anyway. You can peel your cucumber if you don't want the peeling on there with the potato peeler before you chop it up. But I'm going to leave mine intact and put the whole cucumber. And then I have this Athenos feta cheese. I'm going to put that in there. Scrape that out of there. But I'm going to put the cucumber in, and then I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like before I add the salad dressing, after I get it mixed up. I've got the cucumber salad all mixed up. You can see, I put some fresh ground pepper on there. You can see in here the cucumber, the tomato, the black olives, and the feta cheese. At this point, you can eat it like this. You could put lemon juice. You could put Italian dressing, probably put ranch if you wanted to, but since I'm making Greek cucumber salad, I've got to put my Greek salad dressing. So I shook it all up, and now I'm just going to drizzle it on there, and mix it in. It smells amazing. I love the smell of fresh cucumbers and vine ripe tomatoes. That's like my favorite. A little bit more. It seems a little bit dry on the bottom. If you guys don't like feta cheese, maybe the Greek cucumber salad's not for you. You could put in no cheese, you could put in shredded cheddar. This would probably taste good mixed with shredded cheddar and Italian or ranch dressing. But I've got it all mixed up now. Smells amazing. And I'm going to go in for a try. It is good. Crunchy, fresh, amazing. Perfect for hot weather, which here it's pretty sunny and warm today. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least an hour, so it gets nice and cold, crisp. It'll taste even better then because everything will be able to soak in. The onion is, I can barely even taste it, not overpowering at all, so I use the right amount. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Greek cucumber salad video. And please let me know if you try it out, or if you try one of the spin-off options that I gave throughout the video. I'd like to know if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.